The European Fisheries Control Agency, EFCA, supported the third workshop of the European Coast Guard Functions Forum, ECGFF, on Multi-Purpose Maritime Operations, MMO, held in Catania, Sicily, Italy, from 3rd to 5th of June 2019, highlighting the coordination between the Italian Coast Guard, the Guardia di Finanza, and the cooperation with Italian Navy. The workshop welcomes around 90 delegates from 16 member states and from the European Maritime Safety Agency, EMSA, and the European Border and Coast Guard Agency, Frontex, which are supporting national authorities carrying out Coast Guard functions with EFCA. The agenda of the first day's work included a plenary session and 3 working groups on the different aspects of this activity, with a particular focus on risk management, training, operational and logistical implications.
We would like to repeat this occasion of cooperation, collaboration and coordination among all those services performing different Coast Guard functions in an holistic approach. So, envisaging a complex scenario of the exercise, we would like to test our capabilities of coordinating, collaborating.
In this workshop, Frontex participate with representatives from several units, because the idea of multifunction cooperation between the agencies, the European agencies and the member states, it's in very high priority in Frontex.
One of the topics is a multifunction, multi-agency operation concept model of 29th of September 2017, or MMO. This concept paper is the instrumental framework of reference at EU level developed by Portugal during their chairmanship of the forum in 2017, in which several Coast Guard functions are carried out at the same time. But I think we should reflect on what means at the same time. MMO is also described as multi-purpose maritime operation.
The concept of multi-purpose maritime operations, MMO, was concretely tested on 4th of June 2019 in the context of an exercise at sea called COASTEX 19. Under the operational coordination of the Italian Coast Guard and with the participation of several member states and the 3 EU agencies, means 11 naval assets, 3 aircrafts and 3 boarding teams created a complex scenario that simulated activities to combat illegal fishing, fight pollution, search and rescue operations and illegal trafficking. During the exercise, EFCA chartered offshore patrol vessel, the Lundy Sentinel, participated in the fisheries control and in the pollution response scenarios.